Hi, here at H.Mitchell car sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this Hyundai i10 1.2 Connect SE automatic. This car was registered in 2020. It's finished in the Aqua, Turquoise, Blue, Pearl metallic plane. It's got the daytime running lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, (15-inch) alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with light grey side panels, and then you've got the stripe pattern in the centre panel on the rear. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for a baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car. This car is fitted with the rear reversing camera. So into the rear load area, you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. Moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car, on the driver's door, you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. The dashboard, you've got the buttons for setting the lane departure, traction control on off, tyre pressure monitor reset. So this car's done 11,931 miles. So you've got the automatic gear change, and you got the switchable box, so you can go into manual mode if you pull the lever over to the right. USB and 12-volt auxiliary plug-in point. Manual air conditioning, and into the media system you've got the radio with AM, FM and DAB bandings. View from the reversing camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. You've got Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. Automatic headlamps. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting phone calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Moving back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.